How to add citations in Google Docs. First of all, open your browser and go to Google Docs at docs.google.com. Then, open the document where you want to add citations. Next, click on the Tools menu at the top of the screen and select Citations from the drop-down list. A sidebar will open on the right side of the screen where you can manage your citations. Click on the plus Add Citation Source button to add a new source. Choose the source type such as book, website, journal article, or others. Fill in the required details about your source, then click Add Citation Source to save it. To insert a citation in your document, place the cursor where you want the citation to appear. Then, click the Cite button next to the relevant source in the sidebar. Google Docs will insert a citation in the correct format automatically. And that's it. Now you know how to add citations in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.